Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. How to link Epic Games to Steam. So, how to link your Epic Games to Steam. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to link your Epic Games into Steam. So, right now, first thing you need to do is open up your Epic Games. And once you are here, go to the top right and then click on your profile. Then go down and you will see account. Click on account. And once you've here an account, still loading. Wait for it. And here it comes. And once you're here, the first thing you need to do is go to the left side corner, then go down. After going down, you will see apps and accounts. Click on apps and accounts. After clicking on apps and accounts, you will see apps and accounts that you can connect to or link them. So right now, we're gonna show you how to link Steam. The first thing you need to do is click on this Steam right here and click on connect. After clicking on that, you will need to receive an email. Once you receive the email, your Steam will now be connected to your Epic Games. So after we confirm that, once we confirm that, as you can see, I'll confirm it. It sent the email, and once we agreed on that, our Steam will be connected on our Epic Games. So yeah, that's how you connect your Epic Games to Steam. I hope you guys liked the video, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.